Hello, hello. I'm back, but in video format. I wish I could see all of you in person. I miss all of you, but this is what we are working with. So we'll do this little 5-minute video series for last few weeks of school. It'll be great. We don't have much time, so let's get started. We're going to do flams and paradiddles from the 5-minute drill book. That's page 13. So pause the video, find that, and then come back. Okay, now you're back. Things to think about. It's called flams and paradiddles. So let's talk about flams first. Flams are comprised of two different notes, basically happening relatively at the same time. So we've got our primary note, which is just, if it's a right-handed flam, I have a right-handed primary note. Regular note, no different than anything else we've learned. And then my other hand, let's say I have a right-handed flam, my left hand plays that grace note. That comes right before the other note. So I want it to be 1 inch, still using my wrist, still have good mechanics, good sound production. I don't want to squeeze it. I don't want to tippy tap it. I still want to be able to hear that. And then that differential of time, like the grace note coming before the primary note, should just happen because of the height difference. So if I drop both of these at the same time, this guy's going to get to the head first because he's at 1 inch. And then left-handed flams opposite. I have a left-handed primary note. I'll play these at 9 inches for this exercise. And then those grace notes will be right around 1 inch. Still rotating my wrist, still good sound production, not squeezing, good mechanics. Other thing, when we have paradiddles in this exercise, any exercise, we'll have one accent per paradiddle. It'll be right, left, right, right for a right-handed paradiddle, and left, right, left, left for a left-handed paradiddle. So only the first note of each one is accented. Hope everyone remembers that. So here, not here. That's cool, but that's not what we're going for. Sweet. Couple things about the exercise. Number one, most of these accents are on 2 and 4. So it's a very 2 and 4 feel. Make sure you're counting, or else it's easy to get lost, especially around measure 9 through 17. Okay, so always counting. Maybe a little foot tap will help. Awesome. In the first bar, let's keep all those non-accented notes that aren't flams at the same height as our grace note for that continuity. So it'll be flam, flam, and then I just keep it going with that little right around 1 inch wrist rotation. Cool? So I can feel those feelings all the way through. When I get those paradiddles, just like we talked about, only one note is accented. Everything else, keep it around 1 inch or 3 inches. Notice the repeats. Whenever we do the repeats, we've got one sticking at the top and then another sticking at the bottom. You play the top sticking like on measure 9, right, 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 left, the first time. And then when you go through the repeat, play that bottom line sticking. Check out that. Cool. Last thing I'll say, make sure you play that optional drum solo, not optional. And then last time we get to like the last line there, make sure we have these alternating flams that we play good downstrokes, not squeezing, but then we're resting at 1 inch so we can play our next note at 1 inch. If I rebound up to here, it's impossible to play this next note at 1 inch. Okay, let's go for it.
5-minute drill. Flams and paradiddles. Slow. 1, 2.
Nice job. All right, guys. See you in the next one.